Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl CB here, and today I want to give you a plug for a staycation here at Lukenya. Lukenya, it's not far from Nairobi town. It's near Daystar University, and it's a very nice place. You can come here for a staycation. It's a very nice place for kids and family. So if you have a family and you want just to be out of the house and spend a weekend, their rates are so friendly, you won't believe it. So please check this out. So today I've arrived this place so late, so I'm gonna give you a room tour of my room. Then tomorrow we'll get to enjoy the vicinity of this place. So don't forget to subscribe for those who have not subscribed. And I know most of you watch my videos and you've not subscribed. Kindly like if you love this video. And if you want me to give you more of this content, please comment on the comment section. Tell me what you think about today's video. So today I'm not in the kitchen actually. So let's go straight into my room tour. Hope you enjoy and subscribe and also like this video. So let's get straight into my room tour. So from the door, that's the entrance. Let me just focus. Yes. Okay. So that is the entry. So after the entry, you'll find this amazing wardrobe. Just look at that. Enough storage space. You can hang, you have hangers there. You have an umbrella. So spacious. Then you have this other side. You have extra beddings up there. You also have a safe. So if you have very sensitive documents, don't worry, they got you covered. Then more space. Those are my bags, just ignore them. Then on the upper, then we have this corridor here. Then on your left, depending on which side you are, on your right, we have this amazing washroom. Look at that. That's me. So we have a mirror. Then we have this very clean. Can you see that? Very clean sink. Then we have that amazing plant. On this side, we have a body lotion, shower gel, shampoo. We have a soap. Imagine they give you a shower cap, and just look at that setting. It's amazing, looking so nice. That's the sink area. Then we have a small dustbin. Then we have our toilet there. Very clean. Clean. This place is so clean. Then here we have a towel. It's also clean. They've provided you with slippers. Then on this other side, we have the shower. Just look at that. I love the way they've separated the bathroom and the toilet. So basically that's your toilet and bathroom. So next we'll go to this side. We have another dustbin there. We have this coffee station. For me, I'll call it a coffee station. They've given you 2 cups. There's some sugar, there's some coffee, there's some tea, there's a very nice glass. Then there are 2 bottles of water. They've given you a kettle. You can look at that coffee station. Then we have this place. You can sit here when you're putting on your shoes. It's a very nice, look at that. Then after that, we have our television. That's our TV area. Then if you're here and you're studying, or you have some work to do, they have a study table here and a seat, spacious. This is our remote. And of course, I love these. They have a Bible here. They have a telephone. You can call the reception or you can call room services. Then we have a window there. Then look at this. Oh my goodness. I just love everything about this room. Look at that. You can chill here. And you have another big window over there. Then on this side, we have a side. Just forget about the light there. We have this side table, side drawer. Then look at this amazing. Is this a king size bed, or how do you differentiate between a king size and a queen size? Please tell me in the comment section. Look at that. Let me give you a good angle. Look at that. Amazing, amazing, amazing. They've given you pillows, and you saw in the closet we have extra pillows. And of course, if you know me, you know I love white sheets. And Lukenya Getaway just did that. Imagine, look at those sheets. Very nice, very clean. We have another side table here. Then we have a net. At night, I'll just pull it all the way. And the other one, imagine this room is so big. Look at that bed. Oh my goodness. Then on this side, if you love mirrors, you're sorted. Look at that. Hi, that's me there. So we have this mirror. I don't know even which angle. Imagine all this from up there all the way. And that's my outfit of the day, so don't worry. So that's the mirror. Let me just move so that you can get to see it. Yes, it's top to bottom, slightly almost at the top. Yes. So basically that's my room. Maybe I can give you an overview without talking so that you can see how it looks. Yes, from the door. Nothing. Look at the floor. It's very nice. So I've given you a plug. Don't forget to come to Lukenya Getaway. It's in Lukenya. It's near Daystar University. And their rates are friendly. You can come here for a staycation. You don't need to be in the house throughout. Just come here, relax, and enjoy. Let me enjoy my staycation at this facility. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.